What's up? What's up? What's up? Look, so it is the next day, and we are getting ready to go to the pole class. I'm itchy because I just got out the shower, but you can't wear lotion. So, like, my skin itchy, y'all. Like, I ain't got eczema. I'm just a little itchy. But this is what I'm going to wear because you have to wear shorts. And Bobby's getting dressed, and I'm probably just going to throw on a hat. Because y'all know my wig is on what it wants to do right now. So then when we do that, we are going to walk the strip of Melrose, and then actually there's a brunch that we're going to. I think it opens at 2, and then at 4 we're going to a date party. Y'all, I'm really itchy. So, I know I'm not going to be able to hold this camera long, but hopefully I get to record during the pole dance class. And we'll just see how it goes from there. I need to sit down and scratch my skin for a moment to relieve some of the itch. Like, this is too much for me. Bye. Let me fix this up. Y'all. So y'all know we on our way to this pole class. Why this shit brought us to someone's house?
So it might be in their garage.
Who's finna get on anyone's garage pole?
For how much money?
Not for $95.
Thank you.
No.
Did you pay?
This can't be it. Like,
you paid?
This can't be it though, cause this don't even look like y'all. I don't care what kind of classes you're teaching.
Not for $95 at your
I'm not
house.
finna. First of all, I'm not finna be no one's
refund.
What's the thing called? Body bag. I'm not finna go into human trafficking. That's just not the. I'm just trying to have me a good time. Oh no! I'm trying to get about.
We could have stayed home for free.
That can't be it. Like, cause it says it's over here. This gotta be in the building. This can't be right.
So
Siri just don't know what she talking about. Siri a little slow sometimes.
Android Google Assist would have been showed the house before and everything.
Maybe I missed the term. We said a little blurry. It's not focused on us. You can't see that, Bobby?
I don't know, good. How you do that?
It's fixed now.
There you go. Okay.
It's gonna autofocus.
Okay.
Let's see. Maybe I should take a left because it said it was on this side. She don't know. She just don't know. And I'm hungry. She ain't got no mask. That damn donkey. You can turn it off.
You need some adhesive or something.
You can turn it off. Where you going? Just go here, man. This girl Bobby, man. This girl is ridiculous. But y'all, we are finally here, and it's not in the house, so grateful. Let's see. I never even get to record. Come on, let's do this real quick. I'm sorry, I thought you had hit the record button.
No problem. Good job, girls. I like it. I like the body more. It's like a change your air like. Yeah, just like, yeah, that's what you need to do. Good job. I love it.
Yes.
You could eat your own dog.
I just wanna show you how much I appreciate you.
Y'all, the class was a freaking success.
It's a big success. It's hot.
But baby, look. Oh!
What a napkin. I need to pat mine dry.
We still got... Baby, we gotta go to 2 day parties. And this is what's going on. I need to get on YouTube, figure out
I broke a nail, but it was worth it.
Guys, what the fuck? Look.
What is it called?
Black velvet.
Black velvet. Oh, right in front. She did her shit.
Yeah. I gotta try to... I'm gonna find me something I could put a scarf on. Because if y'all see me with a scarf the rest of this weekend, you know what's going on under these shenanigans. And you know what's going... This glue here, boy, it's sticky. Hopefully I can get y'all some good footage. I don't know how well the camera was set up because my little tripod don't sit up high enough. So hopefully y'all can see us in good angles. If not, y'all should be following us on Instagram.
For me, Facebook.
Oh yeah, for her Facebook.
I'm behind time. I just got an iPhone in 2021. So
alright, let's go get dressed.
I'm ready.
And then
But I'm hungry. Oh, we about to go eat, so we gotta go get dressed. Who is that?
So,
Like bright. No, I'm just playing.
little Hondurundo. So we are finally dressed. And we got lost. But we actually see people. So it might be a good day. A real good day. We are heading to the day party. Let me put y'all down, okay? Baby, when I tell you, the niggas is out here.
They outside.
They outside and we outside with them. I should have put on a good fit. Cause I'm just a little. This chill. This going to brunch. I should have put on my good outfit. You didn't even know what you was working.
We didn't eat.
How did I fuck up like that? How did I mess up like that, y'all?
What you mean, Miss?
I've been stepping good. I'll see. No, this is just cute. Like this is not.
No, I don't want to hear that cute shit.
This don't stand out. Like she got her.
Cause you
I should have put my my little outfit on like that. We could have been double mixed twins. Baby.
I told you.
But I don't know if you can record in here, so
Been double.
let's see.